Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Remix, a detailed tutorial, the modern web framework you need to try. Remix is more than just another JavaScript framework, it's a philosophy. It's a full-stack web framework built on the web standards we already know and love, embracing the power of HTTP and the resilience it offers. It's designed for speed, user experience, and developer happiness, offering a compelling alternative to traditional SPA frameworks. This tutorial will walk you through the core concepts of Remix and show you how to build a functional application. Why Remix? Before diving into the code, let's understand why Remix is gaining popularity. Asterisk embraces web standards. Asterisk Remix uses standard web technologies like HTTP requests and responses, HTML forms, and server-side rendering, SSR. This makes your application more reliable, performant, and accessible. Asterisk server-side rendering, SSR, by default Remix renders content on the server, providing faster initial load times, better SEO, and improved accessibility. Progressive enhancement. Remix encourages building a solid foundation with plain HTML and CSS, then progressively enhancing the experience with JavaScript. This ensures a functional application even if JavaScript fails. Data loading and mutations. Remix provides powerful data loading and mutation primitives built into its routing system. This allows you to fetch data and handle form submissions in a declarative and efficient manner. Nested routing. Remix supports nested routes, allowing you to create complex layouts and manage data dependencies within specific sections of your application. Focus on user experience. Remix prioritizes user experience by optimizing for perceived performance, handling errors gracefully, and providing mechanisms for optimistic UI updates. Strong type safety. With TypeScript, Remix is designed with TypeScript in mind, promoting code quality and reducing errors. No client-side router. Remix doesn't use a client-side router. Instead, it relies on standard HTML href links and form submissions, leveraging the browser's built-in navigation. Prerequisites. Node.js and npm/yarn/pnpm. Make sure you have Node.js and a package manager installed. Basic knowledge of React. Remix is built on React, so familiarity with React components, hooks, and JSX is essential. Understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A solid foundation in web development fundamentals is required. Text editor/IDE. Visual Studio Code is a popular choice. Setting up your Remix project. 1. Create a new Remix project. Open your terminal and run the following command. This will prompt you to choose a project template. For this tutorial, we'll select Remix App Server. Next, you'll be asked if you want to use TypeScript. Select Yes for a more robust and maintainable project. Finally, choose where you want to deploy your app. For this example, choose Remix App Server, or any option that suits your local development environment. To navigate to your project directory. 3. Install dependencies. 4. Start the development server. This will start the Remix development server, and you should be able to access your application at http://localhost 3000. Understanding the project structure. Let's examine the key files and directories in your Remix project. *app/*. This is where most of your application code resides. *app/root.tsx*. This is the root module of your application. It's responsible for rendering the HTML, head, and body tags. It's the entry point for both server-side and client-side rendering. *app/root/**. This directory contains the root modules that define your application's roots. Each file in this directory represents a root. *app/entry.client.tsx*. This file handles client-side hydration, attaching event listeners and making the application interactive. *app/entry.server.tsx*. This file handles server-side rendering. It's responsible for generating the initial HTML for each request. *app/styles/*. Optional, you can store your CSS style sheets here. Remix supports CSS modules and other styling solutions. *app/utils/*. Optional, this directory can hold utility functions and shared logic. *public/*. This directory contains static assets like images, fonts, and other files that you want to serve directly. *remix.config.js*. This file configures the Remix compiler and development server. Building a simple to-do application. Let's build a very basic to-do application to illustrate Remix's core concepts. 1. The root app/root.tsx. The root.tsx file sets up the basic HTML structure and includes essential components like links, scripts, and meta. It also defines the layout of your application. Here's a basic example. *links** renders any link tags defined by your roots, example for CSS style sheets. *meta* renders any meta tags defined by your roots, example for SEO. *outlet* renders the content of the current root. This is where your to-do list will be displayed. *scripts* renders the necessary script tags for Remix's client-side functionality. *scroll restoration* automatically restores the scroll position when navigating back and forth. *livery load* automatically reloads the page when you make changes to your code in development. Create a app/styles/app CSS with some basic styling. 2. The index root, app/root/_index.tsx. The _index.tsx file, or index.tsx if you don't want the underscore, represents the root of your application, example /. This is where we'll display the list of to-dos and a form for adding new ones. Let's start with a simple version. Let's break down the code. *loader function*. This function is executed on the server, and potentially on the client during client-side navigation. It's responsible for fetching data for the root. In this case, it returns the current list of todos as JSON. JSON is a helper function from @remix run/node that sets the correct headers for a JSON response. *action function*. This function is executed on the server when a form is submitted. It's responsible for handling data mutations. In this case, it extracts the text from the form data, validates it, creates a new to-do object, adds it to the todos array, and then redirects back to the index root. *use loader data hook*. This hook, from @remix run/react, retrieves the data returned by the loader function. It makes the data available to your component. *form component*. This component, from @remix run/react, is a special form component that integrates seamlessly with Remix's data mutation system. It automatically handles form submissions and triggers the action function. The method =post attribute specifies that the form should be submitted using the post method. *use action data hook*. This hook retrieves the data returned by the action function. In this case, we're using it to display validation errors if the form data is invalid. *redirect function*. This function is used to redirect the user to a different route after the action has completed successfully. It's provided by @remix run/node. Explanation of Remix's data flow. 1. Initial load, server side. When a user first visits the /root, the server executes the loader function in _index.tsx and fetches the todos data. It then renders the entire HTML page on the server, including the to-do list and the form, and sends the HTML to the browser. 2. Client-side hydration *. The browser receives the HTML and loads the JavaScript code. Remix hydrates the React components, attaching event listeners and making the application interactive. 3. Form submission, client-side. When the user submits the form component intercepts the submission and sends an AJAX request to the server, to the same root, / 4. Action execution, server side. The server executes the action function in _index.tsx. This function validates the form data, creates a new to-do, and updates the todos array. 5. Redirection, server side. The action function then redirects the user back to the /root using the redirect function. 6. Data revalidation, client side. After the redirect, Remix automatically reruns the loader function for the /root. This fetches the updated list of to-dos. 7. UI update, client side. Remix then re-renders the index root component with the updated data, displaying the new to-do in the list. 3. Adding deletion functionality, using nested roots. Let's add a feature to delete to-dos. We'll use nested roots for this. Create a new file app/root/todos/$todoid.tsx. Changes to app/root/_index.tsx*. You need to adjust the import for todos if you haven't already moved it to a separate module. It's generally good practice to separate the data from the root handlers for better organization and reusability. Key changes. **root/$todoid.tsx*. Dynamic root segment **. The $todo in the file name indicates a dynamic root segment. Remix will match URLs like /todos/123 or /todos/abc and make the todo ID available as a parameter in the loader and action functions. *loader function *. This function fetches the to-do with the matching todo ID from the todos array. If the to-do is not found, it returns a 404 error. *action function *. This function handles the deletion of the to-do with the matching todo ID from the todos array. It then redirects back to the index root. Confirmation page *. The todo root component renders a confirmation page asking the user if they are sure they want to delete the to-do. This is a good practice to prevent accidental deletions. Use params hook *. This hook, from @remix run/react, allows you to access the root parameters, in this case, the todo ID. *app/root/_index.tsx*. Delete form *. We added a form component next to each to-do in the list. This form submits a post request to the /todos/$todoid root, where $todoid is the ID of the to-do to be deleted. Explanation of the deletion process. 1. User clicks delete *. When the user clicks the delete button next to a to-do, the form component intercepts the click and submits a post request to the /todos/$todoid root. 2. Server-side root matching *. Remix matches the URL to the app/root/todos/$todoid.tsx file. 3. Action execution *. The server executes the action function in app/root/todos/$todoid.tsx. This function finds the to-do with the matching todo ID, removes it from the todos array, and redirects back to the index root. 4. Data revalidation *. Remix automatically reruns the loader function in app/root/_index.tsx. 5 UI update * remix re-renders the index root component with the updated list of to-dos, and the deleted to-do is no longer displayed. Key remix concepts illustrated. Loaders and actions * we used loader functions to fetch data and action functions to handle data mutations. These functions are tightly integrated with Remix's routing system. Forms and submissions * we used the form component to handle form submissions and trigger the action functions. Nested roots * we used nested roots, app/root/todos/$todo id.tsx, to create a more complex routing structure and handle specific to-do operations. Root parameters * we used the $todo id dynamic root segment and the useparams hook to access the ID of the to-do to be deleted. Redirection * we used the redirect function to redirect the user after a successful form submission or data mutation. Next steps and further exploration. This is a very basic example, but it demonstrates the core concepts of Remix. Here are some ideas for further exploration. Database integration * replace the in-memory todos array with a real database, example SQLite, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Use libraries like Prisma or Drizzle ORM to interact with the database. Error handling * implement more robust error handling in your loader and action functions. Styling * improve the styling of your application using CSS modules, Tailwind CSS, or another styling solution. Authentication * add authentication and authorization to your application. Testing * write unit tests and integration tests to ensure the quality of your code. Deployment * deploy your Remix application to a platform like fly.io, Netlify, or Vercel. Explore Remix stacks * check out the Remix Indie stack and Blues stack for full stack starter projects. Read the Remix documentation * the official Remix documentation is an excellent resource for learning more about the framework. https://remix.run/ https://remix.run. Conclusion. Remix offers a refreshing approach to web development, prioritizing web standards, server-side rendering, and a focus on user experience. By embracing HTTP and leveraging React's component model, Remix provides a powerful and efficient way to build modern web applications. This tutorial provided a starting point for learning Remix. Experiment with different features, explore the documentation, and build real-world applications to gain a deeper understanding of this exciting framework. Happy coding!